is the oldest brand in China that specializes in handling machine manufacturing for 40 years. Each machine owns a factory of more than 20,000 square meters with 4 workshops integrating R&D and production and sales as a whole. All 4 workshops are continuing of labor. The number one workshop's main responsibility is the management of programs, and the number two and number three workshop's main responsibility is the production of diamond packaging machine and the development machine. The number four workshop is the production of food machine. Now let's go to the number one workshops. These shelves are full of machine parts. It's all packaged up. We can directly shape it if you need it. Each shape has its own cost, as we can see. The cost comes with a list and the pictures, so it's very convenient for the workers to find the required parts. And this is the production panel. Slowly above are the machines we are correctly production. We can view the production progress through this panel. It's very clear. To ensure the machine's present performance, TG machine adapts all advanced machines equipment such as CNC, laser cutting, auto actor welding, and wire cutting assembly. This edge cutting processing equipment ensure every machine equal parts of the machine with high accuracy, so that the garment machine can make each garment in the same way by accurate dosing system.